here to the fan here. There's one tool that I have been using since I bought my Mac, and that is an app uninstaller, because we install so much crap, so much junk, that at the end of the day we have to get rid of it. And if we don't use the right installer, then we're gonna be leaving a lot of junk, and we don't want that. So let me show you really quick which one is the one that I use. So I'm gonna go to my apps. First, I'm gonna show you with an example why you need this one. So I'm not saying it's just the best, because I'm not really saying it's the best. I'm saying it's the one that I use and it works fine. But I want to show you with the proof why you need it. So for example, I'm gonna be reinstalling Microsoft Teams from scratch, and there you go. So this is how you would normally uninstall it. So you will right click, move to trash. I'm gonna do that just to show you. So we hit enter, and look what happens now. Voila. So the app cleaner is telling me that there is a lot of junk left behind. All this, you would normally leave it behind on your computer on an app that you don't really need. So yeah, that's how it works. I'm gonna put it back to show you how the app works. So put it back. All right, excellent. So it's right here. Now the app is called App Cleaner. I'm gonna open it. You have two options. You can either search it here, Teams, and then click it, left click, or you can drag and drop it like so. I usually just search for it. So you want to make sure that everything is checked. Everything that is not essential for the operating system, just make sure you don't delete. You're not gonna delete it. So just check everything and then click remove. Your password. Okay. And voila, that's it. So that app is essential for your Mac, and you need to have it in order to uninstall any application. Otherwise, it's gonna leave some junk behind, and you don't want that. If you want more tips and tricks like this, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be posting daily, and you don't wanna miss out. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.